give introduction about myself. Okay,
Okay,
myself
bro.
this is Reddy. I am a data scientist and I am a founder of Eternal Tech Technology, and I have overall 4 years of experience in data science. So right now I am working as a data science. Okay, data scientist.
Okay.
Okay, can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah. Okay. First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity. I am Andes Amarkanta. I am from Andhra Pradesh, West Godavari. I am a recent graduate from Swarnamra Engineering College with a CGPA of 8.30.
Okay,
Coming to my technical skills, I have good hands-on experience with React.js, JavaScript, Tailwind CSS, HTML, and CSS.
okay,
With this tech stack, I have done some projects. Some of them includes an e-commerce app and
okay,
a car rental website and a real estate website. My short-term goal is to get into a company where I can utilize my technical skills as a front-end web developer. My long-term goal is to enhance my skills and to become a full-stack web developer. That's all about myself. Thank you.
yeah, that's good. So in your resume, you mentioned that you have a technical skills, React.js, JavaScript, right? HTML, CSS.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you please explain about the project Real Estate Web app? What you have done? What are the technologies you use there? Like something about that.
Yeah. Okay. First of all, the real estate website is made with using React and normal plain CSS. So basically, it's my first project. When I started learning web development and started React.js, so my first project done with React and CSS is the real estate website. So it's simply a landing page with uh, I designed it myself with some modifications around, and it has different properties listed as users can see, but they are not able to book it. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. So and which technology you build that? Like which of the technology like React.js or HTML?
React with
Okay.
React and CSS HTML.
Okay. Use the three things, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So oh okay. So you have done some certificate also, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, you have done three certificates. One is React.js, SQL Basics, Python
Yeah.
Basics.
Yes.
Your achievements also, yeah, right. You are a YouTube content creator.
Yes. I'm a gaming. I used to be, but I have stopped it.
Okay, so you mentioned that 37,000
Okay. Subscribe.
subscribers, but why you stopped it?
Yeah.
Like, what is like? Is there anything you are facing any issues and it is disturbing you?
Yeah. Basically, I wanted to concentrate more on placements.
Okay,
That's why I have stopped it. Then the game got like popularity is decreased. Then I stopped it.
okay, okay. Can you speak in English 5 minutes about your college life?
Yeah. Okay. So uh, my college name is Swarnamra Engineering College. It's located in Narsapur. So when I first joined in my college in ECE, I have a lot of friends as some of them are from my intermediate batch. So I don't have to like sit in one. We used to have a lot of fun. Like the SARS come and go, but they are also there are some good teachers like Vincent.
Okay,
So he's the one made me realize that programming language are there. You have to learn it in order to get placed in a good company. So my first language is C.
okay,
I learned with the help of my friends and done some coding and all. Not like a competitive programming, but basic knowledge. As my college is tier 3, the placements, the coding environment, like the competition is very low.
okay,
My friends and I used to hang out a lot. Then COVID came, everything got like the holidays came and we are from home only attending the classes. So like they used to teach in online, but as you know, no one used to listen the classes. So we got into a lot of problems. So we have to like we have to research more for the further in order to pass the exams. So the exams used to be tough, and the teachings used to be very less knowledgeable compared to YouTube. So we started learning from YouTube itself. Then I started making notes of it. So I started sharing with my classmates and all. So we formed a group and got together very well. Then the third year came, college got open, and we used to have a lot of fun. So after the COVID, uh, that is the first time we have interacted with each other. So knowing and everything, we got to know everyone. Then we went to a trip planned on our own. So we went to like Maradoli. We enjoyed a lot. We stayed there like 3 days.
Okay.
Then came back. Then the semester happened. Then the placement season began. So everyone started learning different languages, coding, and all the SQL, the basics of programming languages, and all. That's how I and some of them have got placed in companies, good companies, and some of them are not. Though so they went to training and all, and I got placed in a campus placement, but the onboarding got delayed. So in order to upskill myself, so I started learning front end web development. So some of my friends are like they're good, they're in good places, like they got a good job.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
So what is your strength and what is your weakness?
Okay. My main strength is like thinking capabilities. So like basically I'm an overthinker. So whether the situation comes or not, I mean I analyze it even before it comes. So even if it happens, I don't it doesn't make me like any fear. It's because I have already made some moves in my mind, so I'm able to predict what will happen. And coming to my weakness, I'm not so good at maths.
Sorry?
I'm not good at maths.
Max. Oh, Max. Okay, okay.
Yeah, that's it, sir.
Okay. So you are from which branch? Like
ECE.
ECE. So why you choose that ECE branch?
First of all, like I wanted to be a VLSI engineer. Like I I love developing chips and writing code in Verilog.
Okay.
So that's what I wanted to become once. Then after going to the college, I realized that my college is not my college lecturers are not good at teaching the core subjects as well.
Okay.
So like in YouTube also there are no tutorials on core subjects in depth compared to software development. So as in my first semester, C language was there. So the lecturer was Vincent. He taught me very well. So I like the programming language. So get into the some coding languages. Got to know other technologies as well. So then I dived into web development.
Okay. So you said that due to your college like facilities, you don't have to go for that VLSI, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what are the challenges you face while learning coding? Like your mind have go for the VLSI, but you came for the coding side. So what are the challenges you faced while learning the coding?
Yeah. So as I'm from Tier 3 college, the environment is not so competitive. Like we have no seniors that used to guide us.
Okay.
So we lack that environment around us. So what we have done is that we researched ourselves in YouTube and LinkedIn, other things as well. So then I started learning. First of all, for my first language was C. Then it was I wanted to learn Java, but
Okay.
my college provided with a training Python in the third year. So I started learning Python. Then they provided Java, but I stick with Python only.
Okay.
Then after like I used to practice in HackerRank. So the very basic problems. So the logic building was very hard for me as I was from core. I have no idea about this competitive programming in my college. So I used to watch tutorials on YouTube, then started doing the things what they have done, learning from them. Then I started in HackerRank, reached a 5-star coding. Then I stopped it. Uh, then I started learning the SQL basics and all database, all these things. So as they were asked in placements, it is important topic. So I have learned also them.
Okay.
Yeah. Next, the placement itself, they are also very hard because there in my college the placements are very less. So yeah, these are the challenges that I have faced.
Okay. Okay. That's good. That's good. So, how can you handle the pressure?
Okay. Like if anything comes, I sit and analyze the things first. What is causing? What is the problem? What I have to do in order to solve it.
Okay.
I will make a list in my mind. Then I have to concentrate on more on the things that affect me, and I have to deal with the things which are most important. So first of all, these the important things will be kept aside. I will start doing them. So the main things are over. So all the left is there like okay. So then I will move on to the medium level. So,
Okay.
so I will solve it in that way.
Okay. So, do you have done any final year projects?
Yeah, in my core domain, yes.
Yeah. What you had done?
Uh, we developed a project in IoT domain. The project name is automation of manhole using IoT.
Okay.
So basically,
Yeah. You can explain about that project and what are the roles and responsibilities you have done in that project.
okay. So we're basically a team of 4 members. We developed that like the other lecturers come and teach us the Arduino basics first of all. Then we have to do it ourselves. If we can't, they will support like they will teach how to do it and then we'll assemble that. So, but in my team, I already have like coding experience with C and C++
Okay.
also in my online like second semester itself.
Okay.
So I'm in I we have done that project in fourth year itself. So I have already done some logic building and all. So what I have done is that I can even write the Arduino code myself. So we developed the whole project and write the whole code ourselves. My role is that uh, I'm a second member.
Okay.
So I used to write the code, and the first one used to simulate it in the laptop using a software called Proteus. Then we have assembled all the things, gathered all the things. We used to go to the sir and ask our doubts if we have any.
Okay.
So the main important things in the project are like it has automation. Like if there is any water blockage, it will automatically send the message to the nearby municipalities, and also it detects it is capable of detecting toxic gases, and also any pressure. If the pressure is high, some like also if the gate is open, like if the manhole is open, it will automatically alert the people around it through a speaker. Uh, Also send a message to the municipal corporation.
Okay.
Yeah, these are the main things.
Yeah. That's good. That's good. Okay. So, where do you see yourself next 5 years? Like,
I will be a full stack web developer. Not only a full stack, but I will also learn like Docker,
okay.
and like I want to also get into like AI and ML.
Okay. That's
Yeah,
good. So, okay. Rate yourself out of 5 for your behavior.
a 4.
For behavior, you choose like 4, right?
Yeah,
Okay. Why you choose 4?
sometimes I procrastinate a lot.
Okay. So, for example, if we hire you for a company, for our company, some of the
Yeah,
situation has get you an anger, like some of the so one of your colleague didn't do any work or something happened. Okay. So,
yeah, okay,
as a
understood.
company rule, you don't want like you don't be aggressive for anyone.
Yeah,
So, how can you handle your behavior?
I will tell him that if you have any problem, tell us. We can sit and talk.
Okay.
Like it as it was an important task. If you have any problems, we can solve, but don't neglect the task. Every time this is going on for like few days, so please communicate if you have any problem,
Okay.
but don't neglect the work. I will talk to him like in a good manner. So first,
Okay. That's good. Okay. So do you work better in team or individual?
like I can do both. As for example, I was learning web development album by watching tutorials. I faced a lot of problems. Like I have no one task as my seniors are not in the front end web development domain.
Okay.
They're more into like Java backend now. So and also when it comes to teamwork, I'm also good at it because I have worked in like two to three projects in teamwork.
Okay.
I'm also good at communicating, so I think I can pull them both.
Okay. That's good. So let me ask some technical questions what you have mentioned as a skills, okay, about
Yeah,
React.js, okay, like HTML, what you have mentioned.
yeah, okay.
So what is React.js?
React is a JavaScript library that is used to build websites very fastly, and it has concepts like virtual DOM, reconciliation, diffing algorithm. The main advantages of using React.js is that the development time is reduced and the developer websites are very fast.
Okay.
It has other state management tools like Redux router for routing. It uses React Router DOM. Like the community, it is an open source, so it has large community for the support as well.
Okay.
Yeah,
So what is virtual DOM like done?
virtual DOM.
Yeah.
Okay, so virtual DOM is a concept related to React.js. In JavaScript we have real DOM, but in React.js we have virtual DOM. Virtual DOM means it creates a copy of the real DOM. Basically, DOM is like a tree-like structure, so it creates a copy of the main DOM. So basically, in JavaScript, DOM is a like very expensive operation. It takes time and it is very difficult. But when compared when it comes to React.js, it introduces a concept called virtual DOM. So basically, it simplifies the task of manipulating the virtual DOM by creating a copy of the real DOM. So whenever the change occurs in the real DOM, the diffing algorithm triggers and reconciliation process triggers. So it takes another copy of the virtual DOM. So it will update the real DOM by comparing the virtual DOMs.
Okay. That's good. So you tell me that like how router is about in React.js, no? So how the router
Yeah,
works in React.js?
yeah, basically like when we always use YouTube, like right.
Yeah.
So when we click on any video, it redirects to another page.
Yes.
So in order to achieve that in React.js, we have to use a library called React Router DOM. So in the headers, like we have menu. On clicking on the menu, it opens contact us, about us, all these things. For the better routing, we have to use React Router DOM for the navigation.
Okay. So can you please explain the component lifecycle in React?
Yeah, the component lifecycle mainly belongs to the class components.
Okay.
So it has three main process. First one is uh, render.
Okay.
Second one is will update
Okay.
and the mounting phase.
Okay.
So in the the rendering phase, like the components, all the data will be rendered to the DOM, but not the actual data. It has like a simple data. Even if it has no data, the calls will be performed in the next cycle itself. So it renders the DOM itself. Then the update phase component will update phase. So the actual API call will be performed, I think. Then the data will be updated. Then the actual component will be mounted. Then after it will be get unmounted.
Okay. That's good. Okay. So in let's move for like some JavaScript questions. One or two.
Okay.
What is this keyword is used in JavaScript? This EHS.
Okay. this in JavaScript is to set the context. For example, we can explicitly bind it with using call apply bind.
Okay.
Usually, this keyword refers to the global object. When we console log this, it will automatically print the window object itself. Basically, this is used to refer the current context.
Okay. Explain the concept of callbacks in JavaScript.
Yeah, okay. Callbacks are like functions that can be passed to another function as an argument, and later in the future we can call it back when we need it. Like simply callback functions are functions. They are passed as arguments to another function.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, okay, that's good. Okay, how do you embed a video in HTML?
By using there is a tag called iframe in HTML. We can embed a video in a iframe tag.
Okay.
Like for example, if we want to use YouTube video in our website, you can just take the link from the YouTube itself. When we click on three dots, there is a YouTube gives us an option called embed in the angular brackets. So that is called an embed tag. That is wrapped inside an iframe tag. By that we can implement.
Okay, that's good. So how can you create hyperlinks in HTML?
We can create links in HTML by using an anchor tag,
Okay.
a tag simply.
Okay.
So by referencing href, we can create hyperlink.
Okay, that's it. So let me. So up to now you have performed very well. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So some of the things like you need to improve more English. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's something. And coming to your resume, so you didn't mention that final year project. So for the fresher, they see the what you have done in final year project.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you mentioned the projects like real estate, web app, corporate, something you mentioned, but you didn't mention the final year project, right?
Yeah. Can I explain it about?
Sorry.
Can I explain it? Like why did they?
Yeah.
Why didn't they put? As I'm from core domain, the main project related to the ECE domain. So I want to get into software. So I have to remove that in order to replace it.
Okay, so you think like that?
By the software, actual software projects.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's fine. That's fine. But yeah. But freshers, HR see that what you have done in final year project. So HR can see
Okay.
that this candidate is a fresher. Okay. So even he had done one mini project in their college.
Okay.
Yeah, they think like that. So
Okay, I will try to add.
my thing like I'm giving suggestion to keep
Yes.
the project is fine. Like they don't want to take care of it.
Okay.
That will be the weight of your resume.
Okay. I will add it.
So, but your way of thinking is different. Like you go from the core domain to software, you came. So that's why you didn't mention the core domain.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you passed out like you have completed the department like electronics, no? EC.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Definitely, as a HR, what you had done in ECE project as a final year project, definitely they will go on after you.
Okay.
So, did you get my point?
Yes, I understood.
Yeah. Just simple 2 lines of 3 lines of mention that thing like as a mini project we have done in the final year, like simple. You can make as a work experience for that mini project.
Yes, I understood.
See that he has the work experience in mini project also. So as a HR mind can change, the way of thinking will be changed. So this guy have some done some mini project. So definitely you have an idea some of things. So you tell that you have a code in that, right?
Okay.
Yeah, you can mention one point I have done a code, right? I write a code in that. So code is most important. So it is suitable for software also.
Okay.
That's my suggestion. Okay.
Yeah.
That will help to build your resume more.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will add it definitely. Yes.
Yeah. That's that's it. Remaining you from the technical things like about all the technology you have done from the basic. So try to build a resume related projects. Okay, like start with
Uh,
tough. Go to the YouTube, find which are the tough projects like proof of concept, real time projects.
okay.
Is they mention in YouTube also some of the candidates there. Okay, try to search that, develop the things. You can even clone the things also,
Okay.
but you will get
Yes.
a clear idea about that thing, and that will help to like, oh, this guy even mention the mini project and also have a core domain like software skills related projects also. So this guy is suitable, like HR will be thinking.
Okay.
So that's from my suggestion. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Right.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Yeah. Thank you too.
Yeah. Thank you.
Like for this mock interview.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, man.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
See you. Bye.